It's also important to remember that, applicants for an immigrant visa, they should still attend the interviews they're scheduled for. They should still prepare the documents, and most definitely they should still remain aware of any communication coming from the embassy. While we don't have guidance at this time as to when the pause will be lifted, please be assured that when it is lifted, we are going to get in touch with all these applicants, and we'd really love to see, all those documents back, all the passports back, so we can continue and resume processing of the visas. So at this time, when folks go in to do their interview, they're going to have a conversation as normal with the officer.
Right.
And what the officer is probably going to tell them is, your documents look in order, but at this time, we are not able to approve the visas. And they're going to give your passport back to you with a little letter explanation. Just like I said, to be aware, look out for any communication, because we can get up to the point of the interview and the document review. We just can't click the approve button. If you're going to spend several weeks in the United States, how are you financially supporting your trip? Do you have savings from back in Jamaica? Do you have a job or employment to go back to as well? Because, should something happen, such as you fall ill or get injured, remember that medical care in the United States is expensive. It's not like Jamaica's system, where it's state funded. The visitor, the patient, has to pay for all of their care while they're in the United States. So it's important to think about, perhaps if you're traveling to the United States for a few weeks to stay with family, to perhaps purchase travel insurance so that the care that you receive in the United States is paid for by your insurance, and you don't become reliant on U.S. government assistance and become a public charge, like I mentioned.